Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Wonder Step. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Picsart account. To get started, let's open Picsart. Make sure your Picsart app is installed on your device. So this is your home page. Here click on profile icon. It will navigate you to this interface. Here, click on Edit Profile. Now it will navigate you to this another interface. Here you can see Delete Profile. Tap on it. Now please select the reason for deleting your Picsart account. You can select any of the option. Now click on Next button. Here type your password in order to confirm to delete your account. Now again click on Delete button. So that rest for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.